Welcome to the Windows Technology channel, and well, we have news of 21H2. So of course Windows 10 has been kind of a little bit in the background, and we have not had a lot of news about Windows 10, anything including the next version 21H2 this fall, because Windows 11 took all the limelight, took all the power, and of course Windows 11 was in the number one spot for everybody. Well, today we now have a announcement. Insiders in the release preview are getting 21H2. So if you're a seeker, you can go and get 21H2. So that means we are having a 21H2 this fall for Windows 10. Now, it is a small cumulative update, and we know that its build number will be 19044. So if you follow the different build numbers of the Windows versions lately, the last big feature update we had was version 2004. That was 19041. And then we had a small cumulative update for 20H2, 19042. We had 21H1, once again a small cumulative update with not a lot of stuff, 21H1, and now it's announced 21H2 is going to be official, and it has the build number 19044, once again showing that it's the same kind of relative version. There will be a few little things that are new in there. One in the Windows subsystem for Linux, which will be picking up something called GPU compute. So what's that? So when you have powerful graphics processors, one of the things that could be useful is to use it for math, use it for machine learning or computing, because it's a very powerful tool, a very powerful processor. So this makes it even more powerful on your PC. So the Windows subsystem for Linux is going to pick up GPU compute for machine learning and anything that is computer intensive. So this is something that a lot of insiders and a lot of people using the Windows subsystem for Linux were asking for a long time. There will be something called Windows Allow for Business support, which will simplify the fact that it's passwordless. And WPA3 support, H2E standard, as we move ahead in Wi-Fi and we have more and more security. So there will be a WPA3 H2E support for better Wi-Fi security. And the version will be available this fall at some point, October, November. We're not sure yet, of course, but it will be delivered as a cumulative update. So once again, a small update that doesn't take too long, isn't too big of an update like feature updates were in the past. So we now know that it's a thing. We pretty much knew that it was a thing, but we didn't know exactly when. So it should be somewhere in October, November for 21H2, the next version of Windows 10. No, features that will be looking like the Windows 11. No Sun Valley. Sun Valley is really Windows 11. So if you're thinking of a redo or a complete overhaul of Windows 10, everything that is Sun Valley and changes is Windows 11. Let's continue with Windows 10 cumulative update and just make it as simple as possible. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.